Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can use the expiration reminder button within Microsoft Teams to help you be more productive. So here what I have in my screen right now is the bot, right? And once you log in and you install the bot in your account, the first thing that it's going to show you is a welcome screen. So in that welcome screen, you can basically see the instructions on how to use it. And it's very simple. Once you install the application, just type login. So you can connect Expiration Reminder and Microsoft Teams so you can do nice things like this, for example. So let's say you can say hi. And if you say hi, for example, it's just going to come up and tell you some of the things that it can do. And one of the nice things in this first version of the bot is that you can find expiration items. So if you just type, let's say, find, then the bot will ask you, okay, what do you want me to look for or search for, right? It's asking me, hey, enter the expiration name for what you are looking for information. So I'm gonna say I'm looking for information about Andrea. Okay, and if I type Andrea, and what's gonna go connect to expiration reminder and show me all the expiration items that have Andrea in the name. So there you go, this is Andrea Wellington, and then it's showing me all of the expirations with the expiration date and the status. So right from within Teams, you don't have to go to expiration reminder to get that information. So hope you like it. This is the first version, so keep around so you can get more information as we release more updates. Thank you.